Nakimuli's legacy may make one imagine she has been a member of parliament for long, yet she has only served for 1 year. I urge all of you to emulate Honorable Nakimuli's inspirational and transformational leadership so that your impact lives longer after you. We have paid fees. Here is the receipt. The money was paid by Kirumira himself up to S4. And that is under Bukedia Comprehensive School, Anita Foundation, and Maguvo Foundation.
Honorable Nakimuli was an eloquent, courageous, approachable, and compassionate leader who was committed to unity and consensus building and reached across party lines on matters she considered to transcend partisan interests. And, Right Honorable Speaker, I beg to move.
Thank you. Thank you.
I equally spoke to her that same morning at about 9 a.m. as we had been planning a meeting for members of the opposition in Parliament in regard to the impending sovereignty bill, which meeting was due the next morning on Monday the 20th. Tragically, she did not make it out of theatre, and we hope that all answers will be provided. This is not about apportioning blame prematurely. It's about restoring public confidence.
We have received the report as Parliament. We have had a discussion of the report, and we have had a discussion with the person, together with the leader of opposition, with the person who operated Honorable Nakimuli. She did not make it from theatre.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.